Rage and Kill versus E-Bikes. The battle begins. E-Bikes win.
Oh my God.
Rage and Kill versus E-Bikes. We back again with another one of my customized e-bike jobs. This is the Jasion Retro Volt. This is the original one. It's not the Pro version. The Pro version has double crown forks. That's about the only thing I really got missing from this bike that I would really like to do to it. As you can see, I got a thing for customizing seats again, and I got it matched out with brown and silver. I do have the battery for this too. I got the red pedals. I might change that, and I might not. I might go ahead and go full in with the brown and do some brown grips and brown pedals, or I might just leave it like it is. But yeah, I took the little light that they got on there. I put a bar light on here, and as you can see, you might notice this has dual motors on it. So I had bought a Hora Luna off of Facebook Marketplace, and the guy had gave me 2 controllers with it. He had got one from a Hora, and he had another one that he said was bad, and I wasn't sure if it was bad or not, so I tried to put it on this, but it's bad. But it don't really matter because I have 2 extra dual controllers, dual motor controllers, which you can hook 2 motors up to. So that's what I plan on doing with this. I'm gonna hook up one of the dual motor controllers I have, and that's another case of I need to make sure that I run the program wire to program the motors to the controller, because you gotta run each motor separately, program it to the controller. And I need to make sure I do that properly to get them to sync up right with the controller. So that's the only little thing that I ran into. But this is another one of my projects that I need to. I actually had this bike running single motor. It's just, more. Got to do more to it. I got to do something different. And plus, I had the extra motor, so I went ahead and said, you know what? This bike would be a good candidate for putting that motor on there. So that's what I did. So this is my Jasion Retro Volt customized. Yeah, as you can see, I got the brown trim tires on there. Brown seat. So it's decked out in red and brown trim. And you probably can't notice, but the fenders, they kind of like what you call that? A brownish gold. I forgot what it was called, but yeah. Those fenders are not silver, they gold. Yeah, I need to touch some paint on it. Yeah, you might can see that the frame underneath was blue. But yeah, I'm gonna touch up the frame with silver on it. get it right for the summer. These are all projects I'm gonna be working on throughout the summer. So there you go, guys. Raging Gill versus E-Bikes. We out here. Raging Gill versus E-Bikes. Subscribe to the channel and click the notify bell so you can stay on top of the latest video releases.